Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I'm going to discuss bookmarks in Power BI Visual. So how to create the bookmarks and how it works. So basically, what is the use of bookmark? That part we are going to discuss. Right. So what is a bookmark? So bookmarks is a feature in Power BI that allows us to capture the current state and then you can share that or you can revisit that or you can view that information whenever you want. Okay, so let's see how this works. So if I go and if I select the new page, here I will say bookmark. Okay, this is what my page name. Let's say I wanted to create the visuals. Before that, I will add slicers for various categories. Okay, so let me bring the year here, go to the setting and convert this to the list. Okay, this is what my list of years. Similarly, if I bring another fields also in on the different slicers, different slicers. Okay, let me select this. Let me remove this also. And if I add the another field here as a customer occupation. Okay, this is just as an example. If I say control P, if I add new visual, now here I'm going to add country. So let's say this is my country. Okay, so this is how we have slicers on the any specific page. And let's say with this, if we have any visual here, let me consider the graph called cluster one. And if I bring the country versus sales amount, okay, so this is not actually sales amount. It should come from the sales table. This is another table that is not in relationship with, that's why it was not able to filtering. Now this is what my visual. Okay, like this we may have other visuals also. Okay, and whenever you have to show the visuals for the different situations, different years, or maybe for the different categories on the same page, instead of creating the new page, what we can do, we can use this kind of bookmarks. But how to add the bookmark? Okay, that is what my first requirement. If I go here in the view tab, okay, there is something called a bookmark. The way we have filter pen, the way we have visualization pen, similarly we can have the bookmark pane also. And here let me, okay, delete this. Now if I come here and if I go here, okay, so here now I would like to add this page as a bookmark. Okay, the whatever the view you will select, whatever the page you will select, that will be added to the bookmark. Okay, fine. So what I will do, I will go here and I will say bookmark. Okay, so bookmark one, this is okay. Performance overview. Okay, as I said, you see here we have slices and all, but this is what my overview. Okay, instead of this visual, okay, if I would like to filter the data, if I filter the data for 2003 and for the Canada and Germany and United States, for three countries, okay, instead of this, if I United Kingdom and United States, okay, so there is for these three countries I would like to see the reports as and when required. So what I can do, I can apply the filters and I can add the visual here. Okay, if I say add So this is going to add. So first one view was, I think, got deleted. Okay, it is fine. So without any filter, if I add any view, it is going to work. And you have to just apply the filters. And let's say this is view or bookmark for, I will say, sales by country and year. Okay, just I will name this like this. Okay, so if I remove this, I don't want this. Okay, if I click on the performance overview, you will see the visuals without any filter, without any slicer. And if I click on the sales by country and year, so here you will see that your slicer which you have selected for the 2003, and country slicers which we have selected for the Canada, United Kingdom, and United States. Okay, this is how it works. You can save the any number of bookmarks. Okay, this is about the creating the bookmark. What you can do, you can add these bookmarks on the shapes also, on the buttons also. Okay, so here on the performance overview also, I can assign this another one. Okay, so instead of going and opening this, what I will do, I will add one more button here. Okay, so this is what my actually bookmark icon. Okay, and for this bookmark, okay, if I go to the visualization pane, I think I removed visualization pane. Okay, format bookmark filter is there, and if I go to the view, even if I don't want this, okay, format is here, right? So in case of format, okay, if I select this, okay, the problem is what, okay, if I select this icon, it says format. Okay, fine. That's why I thought visualization, but visualization is there. Form visualization is changed to format. If I come here, and here I can say bookmark. Okay, and here you are allowed to select the any specific bookmark. If you select this, it is fine. The action is defined. Now you don't need to go to this pane. Okay, if I remove that also, from here also you will be able to see the view. If I hit the button, you will be able to see that bookmarked view. So you can save your views to revisit that view, to share that state with others also. If you upload this report on the service, then you will be able to extract this view from there, and then you will be able to share. This is how it works. Okay, then what is the selection pane? So there is something called selection pane. If you add this pane, so what you can do, you can manage the layers also in any specific bookmark. Okay, if you want to make the changes, okay, if I add the bookmark pen here, I don't want to see each and every type of filter here. Even I don't need this occupation filter on my this bookmark. Okay, so what I can do, I can go to the selection, and let's say I will select the slicers one by one. Okay, so this is what my slicer, and I don't want this slicer. So if I go and just say hide, this slicer will get hidden. And now if I go here to the bookmark, and if I say update, this view will get updated. Now if I go to my original view, okay, and here if I come and simply hit the button, that is what the bookmark, so you will see that the earlier slicer, one slicer is here, that is not appearing now. So this is how you can use the bookmarks to manage what to show on your bookmarked page or what not to show by using these selections. So this is all about the bookmark. In visualizations, you can create the number of bookmarks as many as you want in Power BI to avoid creating the reports, creating the multiple pages. Instead of that, you can show the different types of visuals on the same page also. So that is what the use of bookmark. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe webcam.